Hello and welcome to the 5th video on getting started with beam reinforcement. In this session, we will explore how to place reinforcement bars at beam ends. Let's go through the essential parameters you will see in configuration window. First, you must select the face position option to determine whether the rebar should be placed at one or both ends of the beam. Next, adjust the minimum-maximum surge distance to account for any cuts or openings near supports in the beam. Choose the bar shape and rebar type that best suit your needs. End cover refers to the cover from the end of the beam. It's important to specify the length of the rebar. Note that this parameter can be overridden by the entered extend distance value. Extend distance indicates the extension distance from the end of the beam. Anchorage length signifies the anchorage distance of the selected bar. When extend distance and anchorage length are combined, it impacts the total length of the rebar inside and outside the beam. In such cases, the bar length and end cover are automatically set to 0. The same principle applies if we input values for end cover and bar length. Configure the layout rule to define the rebar distribution on the face, either vertically or horizontally, based on the rebar shape using parameters like count and spacing. Lastly, adjust the top, bottom, left, and right covers to define the size and layout restrictions of your structural element. By following these steps, you will effectively configure rebar placements that align with your design specifications and ensure structural integrity. Thank you for watching. Till the next time.